Hey guys, we are back with the Aprilia. This time around, I'm gonna do a few aesthetic mods, let's say. First of all, we're gonna replace the OEM mirrors with those mirrors. Those mirrors used to be on the Scrambler, but now they're gonna end up on the Aprilia, so we're gonna do that. Another thing we're gonna do today, I bought a whole bunch of Tuono Factory stickers, and we're gonna start putting them on the side, and I want to see how it looks. But enough with the chit chat, let's get on it. The installation of the mirror is pretty straightforward. I'm gonna remove the OEM and I'm gonna put on those aftermarket, so it's kind of easy. What I'm gonna actually focus today on is I bought a few different stickers when it comes to the graphics for the factory version of the Tuono. I bought the stickers for the 2018 factory, which are red just like the side, but they have silver Aprilia writing on it. I also bought the 2019 factory stickers, which there is no background, so there is no red, but they're black. Now, what I'm thinking of doing is I'm going to install, no matter what, the 2019 factory stickers for when it comes to the frame and the tank. So I got those, and those are just black and gray. I'm gonna leave them on the bike and leave the original sticker from the front fairing alone this time around and see what the bike looks like for a while. And at that point I'm gonna do a few things. If I like it, I'm gonna leave it that way, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with the rest of the stickers. Maybe I'll send it to one of you guys. If I do not like it, I'm thinking of cutting the OEM stickers over there, so to leave the Tuono V4 sign on in red as a stripe, just like the stripe up here on the tank, and replacing the big red with just the 2019 front fairing stickers. Or I'm gonna put in the 2018 front fairing sticker, which is obviously gray, and see what it looks like. So to cut it short, I'm gonna do a whole lot of attempts and a whole lot of trying until I find the look that I like. I'm kind of thinking that I might like it more silvery and with less red up front, but I don't know. Follow me on Instagram, because every time I make a change, I'm gonna actually snap a picture, post it on Instagram. So if you're curious to see what the bike is gonna look like, follow me there. Other than that, this is a good time to remind you, buy yourself one of those fantastic Tuono shirts, because apparently I'm not allowed to use the word Tuono. This has been changed with just the headlight and the V4 sign in the middle, which is still pretty cool. But let's remove those giant ugly mirrors and let's replace them. Okay, so it turns out that the mirrors up here are 19 millimeters. So let's grab a 19 millimeter and let's start taking it apart. And that is it. That's all you really have to do to take a mirror off. When it comes to the Aprilia, both mirrors get undone the same way, unlike many other bikes, so both of them unscrew the same direction. I'm gonna start with the right hand side mirror, and because I don't want it to come off, I'm actually gonna add some thread lock. Here we go, easy as that. Let's do the same to the other side. And that's pretty much it. What I'm gonna do now is straight up the bike, set them up the way I want it so I can see behind me, and then put those caps on it. And that's it. and then we can move on to the stickers. The visibility is slightly reduced because of the size of the mirrors, but I'm still able to see all the important things happening behind me, and that's what it matters for safety. On top of that, they look not a million but a gazillion times better than the one that were there before. So I like it quite a bit. Moving on. As I said, for today I'm just gonna do the tank and the frame, but there is one thing that independently of what are you doing, you need to do, and that is clean the parts thoroughly so that the sticker actually stick properly to it. And for the job I'm gonna use some alcohol and a nice shop towel. It's amazing how much stuff is on it, even if it's clearly clean. Alright, it's clean. Stop putting the stickers on. Kind of scared. Seems pretty straightforward. It follows the contour of the bike. I'm gonna peel back the sticker a bit and cut a chunk out of it. Remove a thin stripe out of it, and then I'm gonna put this back on. So now what I did, I have this stripe that is gonna stick to the tank itself, and at the same time I can still move stuff around and make sure that everything fits properly before I commit to it. And at this point, this side it's on. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull this back, remove that, and then nice and easy I'm gonna put it back on, making sure there are no air bubbles trapped in it. Let me get a squeegee and squeegee out some more. All right. All in all, not too bad. So far we are done. I do like what I see. Now, the left hand side, due to the amount of letters over here on the tank, it was a little bit harder than the right hand side. It took me definitely a little bit longer to avoid air bubble to get in there. But all in all, it wasn't too bad. I really like the result this time around, and we'll see what I'm gonna do with this stuff over here. Pull it off and just leave it gray. You guys chime in the comment below, and we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Either way, I still have a bunch of stickers over here. So to see what's going to happen to the bike, if I'm gonna leave it the way it is or if I'm gonna change the stickers, you guys can keep watching here on the YouTube channel or for real time, because it's gonna be faster for me to snap a picture and post it on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram at albesadv. Other than that, I'm gonna try to put links in the description below where you guys can go find those stickers. As always, if you guys like this video, like. If you love this video, subscribe. Right on, and I'll see you next time.